Hey guys, welcome to our vlog. Here's our travel vlog. We just landed in Colorado and we're at our first stop, which is breakfast. It's in these metal cups and they're really cold, and you guys know how I feel about cold water.
Camera doesn't do it justice. Is that a bear? Sorry.
That's a human.
The camera doesn't do it justice.
It kind of does a little bit.
So this is night one, or day one of our trip. So far we flew into Colorado, Denver, and then I drove to
Yep, I did not drive.
to
It's rental car.
Frisco / Breckenridge. And we're at this lake place. And then it's July 3rd, 2024. Tomorrow's the 4th of July, so we don't know if we're gonna go back to Breck because it might be so packed.
They have a parade.
Yeah, there's gonna be a parade, and I don't know if we're about that. Because we basically saw a lot of it today. We went to the gondola, we ate there, we got our merch, our t-shirts. Just getting all the shots.
I'm just making sure there's not a snake.
As you can see, the sun's going down.
Yeah, I like Colorado, for anyone who's asking.
Yeah, I will come back here at some point. It's a nice little trip.
There's a lot of camping places
like,
right on here, but
Yeah.
on the other side.
There's so many nice places to camp. And Patty always sends me that one picture of the mountain from Gatlinburg. And I think these mountains are so cool to him, so.
And the sunset's turning pink.
But yeah, guys, we'll catch you at the next stop. Tomorrow we're just driving around.
Oh, tomorrow we're going to Colorado Springs and
No,
near...
we're not. No, we're not.
No, we're not. We're going near Garden of the Gods.
No, we're not.
Near.
No, we're going to, it's like Cannon City or something.
Oh yeah, with the Enye
Yeah, the Enye.
on the first N.
Oh my gosh, I think that was a fish.
It's a dolphin. Good morning vlog. Happy 4th of July. I woke up at 5 a.m. Haley woke up at 8. Here's my outfit. And then I have my red top underneath because where we're starting right now, it's like 40 degrees, but where we're going to end up, it's going to be like 90 degrees. Here's the view from our current hotel. You can see the lake and the mountains.
We are in Dillon, Colorado, or Frisco, Colorado, outside of Breckenridge, Colorado. So, everyone, like, the place to be is Breckenridge, Breck. It's like 25 minutes from here, and the hotel was... Stop!
Right.
So the hotel is only $138 per night. And look at these views, guys. You can't beat this. So I recommend staying out here, and then you can still drive into Breck.
There's also
plenty of things to do there.
free bus routes.
Yeah, so you can park here and then take the free bus to Breckenridge.
Yeah, and you can walk down all of downtown Breck, look at the shops, you could eat, you could take the gondola for free all the way up.
So there's so much to do in Breck. You could probably spend a couple of days there. We're not.
Isn't Frisco like the spray butter?
No.
Crisco.
Frisco.
Alright, see you later. Take a bullet straight through my bed. Hey guys, we just made it to South Park.
We're where they made. This is where South Park is based off of.
Are you serious? We're at a museum. We're about to go explore.
It's about. I think it's something to do with the gold rush.
The gold rush.
We're going into everything blind here.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We just finished the museum, the historical museum. It was very interesting. And there were
We met a Confederate.
we met a Confederate. There's people doing reenactments because it's like the 4th of July, but also it's just like a historical town. It actually is one of the only. Yeah, it's intact. It's a whole town. I don't know if I got a video of the full town, but it's like a whole town. Like if you think old Western movie, it's that. Yeah, and the guy at the desk, I asked him, I was like, is this based off South Park? Or is South Park based off this? And he was like, yeah, some things are just like only people who live in South Park would know. Like they're jokes like that. I mean, he knows someone who's exactly like the character but doesn't have kids, but like all of the qualities are the same hobbies and everything. Anyways, the museum is actually very interesting. Everything was intact.
Area, which I don't know why you ever would be.
Check it out. It was really cool, and they had a lot of different like things. Like memorabilia, artifacts, memorabilia, trinkets.
Like original stuff.
Yeah. All right, now we're gonna go eat tacos.
Maybe.
All right, see ya. Guys, I saw my first bison, and we saw alpacas, and we saw cows, and we saw goats and horses, and the babies of each one of them. They're all nursing. It's breeding season, you guys. Get in line.